Yo 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 yo. Good morning guys, good morning guys. It's your brother Dracula. Yo guys, good morning, good morning. Just came from church guys. Church was blessed guys. I'm bringing you the word guys that I have listened today by my father-in-law, you know. Guys, no matter what you are going through, no matter your problems, no matter your stress, no matter the persecution, no matter our sicknesses we bear every day, day to day, guys, those are the things that will build character. Those are the things that will give you endurance. Persevere. Persevere, stand strong, and know that He is God. He loves you. He made you in His image. We fall to Him daily. But daily He is faithful, guys. Have a blessed Sunday with your family today. And while you are eating your plate of food, let us always remember there are those that do not have a plate to eat today. And let us give thanks to the Most High. And once we are done, then it's PUBG time.